Hi, I'm Prabhu Sundaraman. I work as a software consultant at Durasoft. Java enters its 23rd year right now, and let's discuss how relevant it is even after 22 years. There are plenty of languages available out there. It's a pretty crowded space. You have structured languages, you have object oriented languages, you have dynamic languages, you have functional languages, dynamically typed languages, crazy languages, weird languages, lot of programming languages out there, but Java stands out very clearly. There's an organization called TO. TO gives you the rating index based on the adoption of various programming languages. It has been doing month on month for several years, and you can clearly see that Java is still number one. Close to 15% of the guys use Java. The adoption rate is pretty high, followed by C programming language, and C++ is in the distance third. And the top 10, you will notice languages like Ruby and JavaScript, but pretty far behind. So Java is still number one for a long time, and a lot of guys keep using Java. And if you want to quickly look at the salary analysis of Java, every month close to 20,000 jobs are being advertised on Java, and the average salary is again pretty good, and it's close to $100,000. So Java professionals still pack a punch when it comes to the jobs. So let's find out why Java is so popular even now. The first reason I think is the ecosystem. If you want to do anything with Java, if you want to build any kind of application, you have support for it. You have plenty of very good libraries, lot of editors, lot of servers, build tools, testing tools, so many things available. The Java virtual machine is pretty popular, and it has a very wide support and plenty of APIs. You can pretty much do anything under the Java ecosystem. My personal opinion is another reason why Java is very popular is this guy, Android. All the native applications, all the native apps that you have in Android devices are built using Java. You build it using HTML5, it's still wrapped around a Java library and executed. So the Android market is one of the main reasons why Java is very largely used. If you want to build an Android application, you have to use Java. And the community of Java is like humongous. There are like close to 10 million Java developers out there, plenty of Java user groups, and the community is always bustling with activity. And you have some user group going on, activity going on almost every day in some corner of the world. And it's huge ecosystem, huge community, and wide adoption. So fairly, it's very natural that Java is quite relevant even now. But it's important to look at the other side. What about other things? Let's look at the Theo index again. This shows the graph of Java starting from 2000 to 2018 right now. You can clearly see that starting from 20, close to 28%, right now it's like nearly 15%. It has been slowly but steadily waning, and that's probably because of languages like JavaScript and Ruby, which are climbing up. And languages like Java and JavaScript and Ruby have slowly uh, come into the top 10 category very recently. So it's very important to keep in mind that while Java is still very popular, it's number one, but it's definitely on the decline when it comes to the adoption rate. I said about Android. Java applications, Java is used in building applications that run on the Android. But there's a new guy called Kotlin. Kotlin is a new programming language from the JetBrains community. that can be used to now build applications on the Android. So Kotlin is really a fun language to begin with. It runs on JVM. The language is very expressive. It's pretty cool and lightweight, and you can build applications that run on the JVM and that run on the Android using Kotlin. So Kotlin can be a real threat to Java when it comes to Android development. And most importantly, the the hardware capabilities and cloud capabilities that are really powerful these days have given rise to architectural patterns like microservices. So you don't have to build an application with a single technology stack and run them. A decade back, we always used to have debate on what to choose for your application. You want to use the Java stack or you want to use the .NET stack. I think that's a thing of the past thanks to microservices and the power of cloud. You can really split your applications into smaller services. You can choose any language, any technology stack you want and build these services. So, in a single application, you can use PHP, you can use JavaScript, and you can use Java. So, you automatically see penetration of other technologies coming into your application, which was once occupied just by a language like Java. So, this is really playing a major role in developers moving towards other languages than Java. So, where do we stand now? Now that you know that Java is the number one, but it's slowly declining, but you still are a Java developer or you still want to learn Java, you have a definitive career path ahead of you. But what you have to really keep in mind is it's okay to be a Java developer because it's still, in my opinion, really awesome, widely adopted. But keep in mind that there are equally awesome things outside the Java ecosystem that are making a lot of noise these days. Thanks a lot. If you have any questions, feel free to mail me at prabhu.bits@gmail.com or you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/i.prabhu.sundaraman or read my articles in my blog at healthycoder.in. Thank you.